Hello guys, welcome to the Tuesday 29 December 2020 edition of the 5KP trading program. Live trading. We're trading 5K account since a couple months already, and we had an up and downs and ended up with basically same number for this year. So this video will be a summary of this 2020 trading, and we will continue trading in 2021. Trading and hopefully bringing this account to higher numbers. Maybe we'll experience another roller coaster ride. The strategies of trading for this account were changing, and we finally came up with something very cool, very interesting. I will discuss that when we're looking at the portfolio. But before we do that, I need to show you this disclaimer here. So remember that this video is for informational, educational purposes only. I don't give you any trading advice. I just educate you. So if you agree with that, okay, we can continue. Please read this thoroughly. And we have a couple of topics for today. So the topics are obviously the things that we do all the time: portfolio management and looking at the news. That's part of the daily, weekly routine. We'll talk a little bit about paying for your bullish trades. So markets are looking very bullish right now. These pictures here show you what I'm thinking about the markets right now, mostly because of this. So we have a lot of currency printing, lots of stimulus, and mostly because of this, that happens. So there is more printing, more digits to measure things. That doesn't necessarily mean there is more wealth in the world, it just means that we have more digits to measure it. But markets react very bullishly to this, so I'm going to be talking about how to pay for your bullish trades, because we're going to be trading cautiously bullish with some strategies such as selling puts to pay for long calls, long verticals, long broken wing butterflies. So having said that, let's just move on to the news. And I'll just jump here quickly to not Finviz, but stock market update from briefing.com. So it seems like we have some news on airlines. A 737 MAX set to fly again, so BA probably will be an interesting place to look at. And also airlines, you see BA is actually 2% up, and American Airlines also up a little bit. Okay, positive news. Looks like Apple is moving sideways today, and what the markets are bullish, right? So things are going up. Industry watch: healthcare, information technology, consumer discretionary are strong. Weak financials. Nasdaq pulls ahead in early action. Nasdaq is mostly technology. Yeah, AMD as well. Let's look at AMD. I was looking at AMD and I was thinking, okay, this thing can go because of in RSIs or stochastics. I see this is on a daily. This is oversold. Okay, so basically what I see here is this W, and then keys hello, and then I think it's gonna go. Probably I would be jumping too early if I did the trade today, but okay, we're doing our mentoring videos on Tuesdays, so I should do that and show you something. But maybe I will not just send that trading. I would recommend you guys wait a little bit for a little confirmation that this bounces, because it didn't yet. It can actually drop down to this 86 levels. But if it did bounce and went above this 20-day moving average, we can expect like really nice move up. So because simply we see this in the stochastics, we are in the zone of oversold, and here we're having a little bit downwards momentum. I would expect on a MACD a little bit pull come back, or crossover point. IV rank, so implied volatility is not too high, so it means the candles not that big anymore. So the contracts won't be that expensive. So let's create a trade which is benefiting from bullishness and also is paid for. So first of all, what I'm gonna do is pay for it, okay? Create a trade which pays for it. So I would sell some contracts. Okay, before I do that, I need to think at which level I want to pay and how much premium I want to collect. So it seems like we have a support zone here at this level of 90. Next support level is 85. And in order to better find the support zones, you could actually draw the Fibonacci retracement. So I could just go to the level of lowest lows here, or lower low from this support zone here, whatever 55s, and just draw a line till the highest highs.